Jack M. Ciattarelli is an American politician and businessman who is the Republican nominee for governor in the 2021 New Jersey gubernatorial election. Ciattarelli served in the New Jersey General Assembly from 2011 to 2018, representing the 16th Legislative District. A Republican, he finished second in the primary race for governor in 2017 to Kim Guadagno, the lieutenant governor of New Jersey. Ciattarelli won the Republican gubernatorial nomination on June 8, 2021, and is facing incumbent Democratic Governor Phil Murphy in the general election on November 2. Ciattarelli was born in Somerville, New Jersey, on December 12, 1961, and was raised in neighboring Raritan. His paternal grandparents had immigrated to Raritan Borough in the 1900s from Italy. He graduated from Seton Hall University with a BS degree in accounting and an MBA degree in finance. Ciattarelli served on the Raritan Borough Council from 1990 to 1995 and was the council president from 1991 until 1995. He was elected to the Somerset County Board of Chosen Freeholders from 2007 to November 2011. In 2011, Ciattarelli ran for the open General Assembly seat in the 16th Legislative District, vacated by Denise Coyle, who chose not to run for re-election due to redistricting. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.